When the research for the book, most of the people that went to Lima, the Limeños, they were Europeans. So they used to make their ceviche with bitter orange, and there used to be tons of bitter orange trees throughout Peru. They're very rare.
Good.
Well, they're very rare now. There's one place called Huacho where I'm told you can still get ceviche made with bitter orange, but it's mostly all gone. And then if you read through the recipes, Fuentes, wrote this snapshot of mid-19th century Peru. They would soak it forever. I mean, in bitter orange, and that's just going to turn everything into mush.
Just
and
the
that's
acid
why
just completely devour it, right?
Yeah, the Nikkei chefs they came in and they taught the Limeños like how to make ceviche right, because the Japanese know fresh fish, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. That makes sense to a certain point. But I would say people outside of Lima, the people like along the coast that have been there forever. I mean, Valderrama writes about this. It's like they used to have a thing, they'd call it lunch on an oar. So they would pull the fish out of the ocean, and the fishermen would actually slice it up on an oar and actually eat it like that. So, for instance, my wife and her family, I mean, everything is fish. If they have a party, it's going to be fresh fish. My wife, if I bring home fish and and it's really good, if I go in the other room, she'll eat like a third of it raw. I mean, that's just common. And that was there before the Japanese came in. But definitely the Japanese changed the style of like eating ceviche in Lima, that's for sure.
Hey, would you like to win a free copy of Eating in Peru? Go to the On The Check YouTube page with Sean Parker. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment on the podcast Eating Peru. The first 100 subscribers to comment are entered to win. Go get it.